this video, we will demonstrate how to simulate the turbine spinning with the use of a magnet. First, open a treated water faucet and allow the water to run while monitoring the display screen to see if a flow rate registers. If the display continues to show 0 gallons per minute while the water is running, then the turbine may be jammed. If the flow is not registering, then turn off the faucet. We will now conduct the magnet test, which will allow us to identify if the meter is jammed or if the issue is related to the meter cable or the circuit board. First, push the meter cable tip upwards from underneath the control valve body, as you'll then be able to easily lift up the meter cable tip. To test the system, rub a magnet back and forth across the shiny flat side of the meter cable tip. This will simulate that the turbine is spinning. While performing this action, monitor the front display screen of the valve to see if the flow rate increases from 0 GPM. You may need to wait a few seconds before the display begins to register the flow rate. If the magnet causes the display screen to register flow, this indicates that the turbine is definitely jammed and will need to be cleaned or replaced. However, if the display screen still does not register flow, the issue is likely with the meter cable or the circuit board. Once you've completed the magnet test, please return the meter cable tip to its original position and click it into place. Now that the issue has been identified, please proceed with the appropriate corrective action of either cleaning or replacing the turbine assembly, or replacing the meter cable or the circuit board.
Visit us at www.CanatureWG.com.